Today's video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam by the website Leniserd.xyz. Leniserd.xyz stands for a new dangerous site. Taking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them. They are absolutely fake, so do not trust these fake alerts. Leave this deceptive page. Now, I recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start thoroughly investigating your computer in order to detect and eliminate other infections which could still possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.